Splish Splash Pool Party was organized for Grades Pre Nursery to 2nd from 27th to 29th March 2023. Water play gives the student useful social skills as well as helping in their gross motor development and eye-hand coordination. It also helps in enhancing creativity and improving the concept of maths and science in the young learners. A school splash pool party was a great place to lodge in and escape the heat. Its jet spray intermittently released stream of cool water. The poolside was evidently decorated with a huge cutout of water animals like dolphins, jellyfish, starfish, and seahorses around. Children also played with their colorful balls. Poolside tables were arranged with the colorful umbrellas to add ambience to the party. The kids had a gala time, tapping their little hands and feet, bubbling and splashing water all around. The little angels filled the poolside with their giggles and laughter. Various water toys added color to their enjoyment, bubbling with excitement and enthusiasm in their colorful swimsuits. The children thoroughly enjoyed the splash pool activity, jumping in water, splashing water at their friends, and playing with floating toys. Children also browsed through the interesting water play books which were arranged for them. They also danced to the tunes of Baby Shark and had lots of fun. The day became memorable for them as they also relished sweets and saw lemonade after enjoying the pool party. The Splish Splash Pool Party was a great opportunity to explore and enjoy together in water to beat the heat with the soothing coolness of pool. Children also created a strong bond with their friends and went home happy and cheerful.